Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm back with another CSS video. Where in this video, I'm going to show you how you can design the buttons that you use on your CSS project visually. You don't need to write the code for the buttons. You can directly customize them and use them as per your need. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for CSS3 button generator. You can see the right URL over there once, and be very careful about the URL. If you mistaken typing anywhere, you will not be able to find the correct website. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and here you can manually customize the button type. You can add different padding from top, left, and anything. Once you are done with all the settings, you can see, when you scroll down, you can see the code for the same button will appear right in front of you, the CSS format. You can directly copy it and use it on your project. So now if you are a beginner, this will be very helpful for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.